This is the Desmond Show.
Not we are not for repair. If we aeroplanes, but I didn't repair them. If you spoil, I go repair you. But we finish everything. I will finish everything. Go. It's okay. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's spotted. It's spotted.
Thank you. Honey, someone has helped us to get the car.
Oh, really? I'm so grateful. Very grateful. Very grateful. In fact, honestly speaking, I saw you going up and down.
Wait,
you know.
are you kidding me?
No.
You mean you have a boyfriend?
Of course.
And I've been here running around fixing car.
Mr. Man.
This stress since.
Listen.
Lift it.
About it.
Lift it.
No, calm
The
down.
night you bought my hand, I was crying.
Calm down. You, my girlfriend, my car, you are our helper. God has done it all together. I'm very grateful.
Wait, Mr. Man, I'm not a gentleman. Please calm.
I no be gentleman at all. I no be gentleman at all. I no be gentleman at all.
Honestly speaking, are you sure there's something not wrong with this man?
Today, dying.
Gentleman at all. I no be gentleman at all. I no be gentleman at all at all.
I no be gentleman at all.
I be African man, original.
I no be gentleman at all.
I be African man, original.
I no be gentleman at all.
Them call you up, make you can chop. You chop small. You say you belly full. You say you be gentleman. You go Hungary.